Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and launching the camera app. Make sure battery is above 20% and close heavy apps so processing is responsive. Once done, open camera from the home screen or lock screen shortcut. This skips extra steps. If the app asks for location, storage, or microphone access, grant those permissions now so features like geotagging and video-audio work. Also, swipe to familiarize yourself with the main modes visible immediately so you know where to go next. Now you configure modes and manual controls. Tap Photo for quick shots or choose Pro to set ISO, shutter speed, and focus manually. This matters when lighting is tricky. Use the 50MP toggle only when you need high detail, otherwise 12MP pixel binning gives cleaner low-light images. For compositions, turn on grid lines. Enable HDR in high-contrast scenes. Once you've set flash and timer, practice a few shots to confirm exposure and focus behavior before moving to finish by capturing and verifying your best shots. You should stabilize the phone, use a tripod, lean against something, or rely on OIS for steady frames. After each take, zoom in to inspect detail and check the histogram for clipped highlights or deep shadows. Make adjustments and reshoot if needed. If the camera behaves oddly, force close the app, clear the camera cache in settings, and reboot the phone. If problems continue, check for system or camera updates and reinstall the camera app when applicable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.